The perfect vivarium doesn't exist, so we built it. Most dart frog setups are clunky, fragile, and never truly complete. Lighting, misting, airflow, nothing works together and nothing's made for frogs. Introducing the Frogfather Modular Vivarium, a stackable 500mm bioactive enclosure printed in waterproof industrial-grade material, designed by frog keepers, built for frog life. Each unit includes integrated LED lighting, optional UV, adjustable airflow, Wi-Fi-ready misting, and interchangeable slide-in backgrounds. We've already built and tested the entire system at 50% scale. Now we're ready to go full size and bring it to frog rooms across the UK. To fund a large format printer, workshop space, and waterproof production materials. Together, we'll build the next generation of vivariums. Join the movement.